In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to know size in Canva. If you've ever worked on a design and then suddenly needed to know its exact dimensions, you'll know how important this is. Maybe you're creating a social media post, a printable, or a presentation, and you have to match specific width and height requirements. Canva doesn't always make this super obvious at first glance, but once you know where to look, it becomes very simple. Start by opening your Canva design in the editor. This can be any design you've already created or something you've just started. Once the design is open and fully loaded, direct your attention to the top of the screen. You'll see the main toolbar running along the top edge of the page. Now focus on the left side of that top toolbar. There, you'll find a menu labeled File. It's usually one of the first options on the top bar. Go ahead and click on File. When you do this, a drop-down menu will appear. This drop-down gives you an overview of information about your current design. At the very top of the drop-down, you'll see the title of your design. This is the name you gave it, or a default name if you haven't renamed it yet. Directly below that title, Canva shows the design type, such as Instagram post, presentation, or another preset size you might have chosen. Next to the design title, you'll see who created the design. This is useful if you're working in a shared workspace or collaborating with a team, but for our purpose, keep looking just beside the creator information. Right there, Canva displays the size of your design. These dimensions are typically shown in pixels by default. For example, something like 1080 by 1080. The first number represents the width, and the second number represents the height. Knowing these dimensions helps you check that your design matches the required specifications, whether that's for printing, uploading to a website, or posting on social media. If you ever change your design type or resize your canvas, you can repeat the same process. Open the File menu, look at the area beside the design title and creator, and read the size information shown there. And that's all you need to do. By using the File dropdown and checking that little line of details beside your design title, you can quickly and reliably see the exact size of any Canva design you're working on.